Step in the kitchen.
Pull it out.
It's shit, that's what it is.
Must be a fucking,
It's shit. It's a valve that just isn't connected. It's one of these fucking shit things right there. So bad.
aftermarket gauge.
It literally varies.
Probably a port. Sucks. Hurts my knees. Hurts my shins.
Exactly 3 inches from
And now I have to get in alignment. Got 3 in. One of the bolts is fucked though. Right there. Where that coilover goes, right here. Alright. Got the Miata. Suspension's all in. Bolt was fucked last time, but we got a new one, so now the last coilover's in. There's one problem, and it's fucking disgusting, so we're gonna get a car wash.
This thing's nasty. It was like 3 days.
You can't show the wing.
This thing's disgusting. Oh yeah, there it is.
The funny thing is I cleaned it yesterday.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. And another bird shit on it.
New England. New England is shit. Because the pollen, so bad. It's so bad. Like, I don't even know what that is. What is that? It's like a leaf. It's from a leaf. It's so bad. Let's go. Get in your car.
But I hope I'm on the right path. Life will hit you with a light jab. Mike Tyson, strike back. You niggas going out, slice at. One more.
Say what?
Like, so much heat comes in the center of the car, like the center console area.
That's your transmission, guy.
It's hot as fuck. Like, I can just feel it, like, radiating. It's probably because I'm so fucking close to it. This shit is just, this car is nothing. We're fucking clean now. No more dirty ass cars. Besides the tires, which we're gonna hand wash now. Just kidding. We're gonna have to do a drag race between these two. I think mine would win.
I think you're wrong.
Probably need a new catalytic converter because mine's killing itself, but that's fine because I'm just gonna buy a new exhaust anyway. See if you can even see that shit. Probably not. Probably gonna get new rims as well, and bigger rims, wheels, and a new front bumper, maybe. Maybe the hood.